I think this is the last project of this course, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so how to make a website with Namecheap. Common Sense Party, the band Common Sense Party, has asked you to work on 2 web pages for their website. Now that you have been introduced to some fundamental HTML elements, you are ready to help the band. Let's get started. Number 1, start by creating the page structure. In index.html, there are currently 3 divs on the page. The div with the class container has 2 children. Set the class of first child div to nav. Set the class of the second child div to main. Right, so let's go. This is the first main. To nav, yeah. The second class div. But so inside the div with class nav, create an h4 element which displays Common Sense Party to serve as the nav bar heading. Right. Right, so below the h4, create UL element with li items for different pages the site offers: home, shows, albums, gallery, bio, and blog. Okay. So is the 6, yeah. Just putting enough space around so that you guys can see how the data on the HTML document translates to actual web page when I run the program. So I'm going to start with home. Shows, album, gallery, bio, blog. Okay, there you go. As you can see, it's in order. Right, so then I really don't like the color. It's, yeah, we need some contrasting color. Maybe they're going to ask us to do that later. Next, inside the div with class main. Yeah. Right, so next inside the div with class main. Yeah. Create an h1 heading. So that displays Common Sense Party. Okay. Okay, so below the H1 heading, create an image element that has the following image URL as its source attribute. Let's go to the closing tag. Remember, the image tag is self-closing. Right, so below the image of the band, create a paragraph element. Include a recent review. Common Sense Party, a hard-hitting acoustic punk /electronic 4-piece from Atlanta, Georgia, combines an unleashed live performance with edgy lyrics, unforgettable hooks, and well-studied synth rock sounds. A must-hear new band. Okay, so we're going to add that. Okay, so number 7. Next, create an anchor element that links users to a list of the band's upcoming shows. The href attribute for the anchor element should be set to shows.html. The text for the anchor could say, here's a list of upcoming shows. Test out your anchor element in the web browser. And then it says we should add here's a list of upcoming